Hi, this is Alexandra at Beadaholique, here to show you how to punch holes in acetate using the BeadSmith 2-hole metal punch tool. So this tool is traditionally used for making holes in metal blanks, such as I have in this earring here. So I punched 2 holes in this square, and what we're going to do in this video is punch holes in this acetate resin pendant, this little coin pendant. Now I want to show you a project that I did using this technique, which came with 1 pre-existing hole, and I went ahead and triangulated using my ruler at 1/2-inch increments to make 2 more holes to facilitate a Y-shaped design for that necklace. And so here I want to demonstrate to you first how to widen a pre-existing hole. For instance, in this design, this is a 17 gauge jump ring, which was just a little snug for fitting through the hole that came with the piece. So I went ahead and widened those. And I did that using the 2mm size on this tool. So that's what I'm going to do here is I'll go ahead and insert the resin, acetate I should say, which is a type of resin, into the tool, and I'm lining up the hole right underneath the screw portion that comes down on it. And so with my finger, I'm going to tighten that up and get a soft vice grip, just enough to know that I'm centered, about a 1/16 of an inch in from the edge. And from there, without using much force at all, I'm just going to screw the tool down in like so. And if you can see inside there, this larger screw portion is just starting to protrude into the center. And what I want to be careful of is not to let that dig into my acetate. So I can feel the resistance has lessened, and I'm going to go ahead and unscrew. I've made my punch over the pre-existing one. So now we have a slightly larger hole. And so what I'll do on the opposite side, say we wanted to make this into a connector. I'm going to bring in my Sharpie pen. And you can take your ruler if you want, or you can just eye it. Make a little dot right where you think you want your hole to be. And then for fun, let's take this and use the smaller side, the 1.5mm side, so that you can see the difference in the size. So again, I'm going to insert that coin into the tool. Get my soft grip, make sure it's centered where I want it, reposition, and send the screw through. I'm watching to make sure I don't gouge my surface. And see how it's loose now? I think that's where it's come through all the way, so I'm going to release that. Really doesn't take much strength at all. And now I have my 1.5mm hole size. So I hope that video was helpful. You can find all of these tools, beads, and supplies at Beadaholique.com. Please also subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.